No, if lowering R really was, if R was lower and it was permanently lower, you would get a boom. And it would be, what would happen, I mean, what the dynamics would be pretty straightforward, right? Because what would happen is, think about it. Here's R bar. Let's assume you had this unanticipated increase in interest rates. Or sorry, decrease in interest rates at T. So I'm not going to do the expectations. The expectations are going to be just like the ones we had before pretty much. But let's just do the unanticipated case just to remember what the dynamics look like. So what happens? What happens? Well, R goes down, little r. Now we're talking little r, not big R. Little r, the interest rate goes down. Well, there's going to be no change in the rent right away because supply and demand in the rental market hasn't changed. The use market is what it was yesterday, right? The interest rate doesn't come in there. You might say, well, people feel richer or whatever, but let's just leave that out. Our demand curve, the demand for places to live hadn't changed. So R doesn't change, but P is going to go up, right? Right? P is going to go up, so I is going to go up, right? So I is going to go up to I bar. Oh, I'm sorry, I 0. P is going to go up to P 0. Now, what's going to happen to K? Well, K is not going to jump. K is going to start to grow. Now, where are we going? That always helps. Well, we know where we're going is we know that P is going to go up. But remember, what's going to happen to R from now on? Think about it. R is going to be going down, right? Because K is going up, R is going to be going down. Since R's are going down, P is going to be going down here, right? P is going to be going down. So P is going to come into its new steady state from above. So immediately you would say this model doesn't, a one-time today fall in financing costs doesn't really fit, right? Because what's going to happen is P is going to jump up, I is going to jump up, so that looks like a boom. But P is going to be coming down because people are going to say there's going to be more and more housing, right? Which means you're going to have some expectation that not only is R down, but that finance is going to get even better in the future, that the future R's are even lower or something. To make, now I is going to come down and K is going to go up. It's the usual convergence pattern, right? We're going to converge to a lower steady state like that. All right, so that would be my pattern. It would look something like that. That would be the pattern that you would get, okay? So you can pretty see if we're going to really have this boom period that has this other feature that we talked about before, which is like rising P, right? To get P rising, we're going to need to have like either future R's are going to go down or combine this with a demand increase. We're going to need something that says the future is better than today. If that wasn't realized. Or it was realized for a time, but people thought it would just continue to get better and better, right? The idea was Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they were just going to crank out loans forever and just keep subsidizing more and more people to buy houses. And what we found out is they were only willing to dig a certain amount of a hole before they decided we can't do this anymore, right? Or somebody decided they wouldn't let them do it anymore. All right? Yeah.